another session. Isn't this perfect?
Let's go say hi to Sabrina. Say hello, Sabrina. I'm not gonna fall. Where am I going? Sabrina, and I'm going into the ground. Whee! Isn't it beautiful here? The clear skies. Doesn't even look like it's gonna rain. Turn. Yeah, she thinks she's badass. Whatever. I'm gonna fall. Woo. See if I can try this. Being retarded. Here, Sabrina.
You guys should help me make shitballs a word. Let's put it in Webster's dictionary.
Shitballs! Oh yeah, motherfucker!
I am the queen of this street. See? Look at that. That is our sign.
That is our sign. Yes, so now I'm a queen. Post. Ah, no, I'm kidding. Bling!
That would have been cool if it was a trick and I landed it.
Break your leg. What'd you do? I tried going down and I didn't get enough speed when I came down because I stopped right there and I went like that.
Turning?
No, well I was turning. I stopped right there. Well then I got the board and put it back over there, and I came down and yeah, I kind of fell. It's quiz time. What quiz time? My house. If anybody can guess which window's mine. Okay. That is an orange house. And that is a gray one. Now, here's the tricky part. Which one's mine? Which one's Darian's? Darian, you ain't nothing but a hoochie mama.